So we start the next point, that is the quality control. Quality control is the process of employed to ensure the certain level of quality in the product or service. It may be include whatever actions are necessary to provide for the control and verification of certain characteristic of product or service. The basic goal of the quality control is to ensure that the product, service or process meets specific requirement and are dependable or satisfactory. Essentially, the quality control involves the examination of a product, service or process for certain minimum level of the quality. Next is the definition of quality control. Quality control may be defined as the technique by means of which product of uniform acceptable quality are achieved according to the standards which required to produce the proper product which will be satisfy the need of the customer. According to that, we should be required to perform the set of goals. For that purpose, we should be required to achieve the quality. Next is the objectives of the quality control. The following are the important objectives of the quality control. First objective is to establish the desired quality of standard acceptable to the customer. When we require to produce any product, they should be satisfy the need or end objective of the customer. Second is to evaluate the quality of the incoming material, product, in process and outgoing product. While we require to maintain the quality in the production, we should be required to check the raw material which is used for the product. Second, product in process. In that process, we should be perform the quality workmanship to the performing the job. And lastly, when the product should be finished, we should be required to produce the outgoing product. Third is to judge the conformity of the process to establishment standards and take the suitable action when deviations are needed. During the production, where some deviation should be achieved or deviation should be comes into the product, we should be required to take the suitable action to improve the quality. Next, to achieve interchangeability. When there should be the interchangeability should be achieved, when there should be any change into the required into the product quality, they should be easily made. To evaluate the optimum quality obtainable under the given circumstances. There are some constraints to produce the finished product, and that's under certain uncertainties we should be required to produce the proper quality product. Next, to improve the quality and productivity by the process control. Next, to develop the procedure for better relationship with the supplier. And last is to develop the quality circumstances on the organization. Next, functions of the quality control. There are some important functions of the quality control. First is the formulate the company quality policy. First, we should be required to prepare the quality policy for the organization. Second, work out product requirement in detail and set product satisfaction on the basis of customer performance, cost and profit. Second, we should be required to produce the workout product requirement which will be satisfy the customer performance. It should be beneficial in minimum cost to the customer, and it should be give the maximum profit to the organization. Third is select inspection plan. During the production, we should be required to make the proper inspection of the product. That's why we should be required to produce the inspection plan. Next, set up procedure for checking. While we checking the product, we should be required to produce the setup of the product. Next, direct deviation from the set standard and take the corrective action whenever necessary. In this function, we should be required to find out the deviation from the required standards, and if their deviation should be more, we should be required to take the corrective action. Next, maintain all manufacturing process under the control. Next, maintain coordination between various departments, that is design, production, planning, manufacturing, purchase, etc. about quality. All departments should be work for the achieve the quality of the finished product together. Develop quality concises in the organization. Train and educate operator. Take decision on defective parts whether to be scrapped or reworked. Remove any organizational barrier that prevent quality improvement. Next is the advantages of quality control. There are various advantages of proper quality control. First is the improvement in the quality. Due to the proper quality control, the finished product quality should be improved. Second is the increased product under the optimum condition. Under the optimum condition, the production should be increased due to the proper quality control. Reduction in the scrap and rework. Due to the proper quality control, the damages or deviation into the product should be minimum, and that's why it should be remove the scraps and rework. Next is the reduction in cost per piece. Due to the proper quality control, the rework should be minimum and they should be reduce the cost per piece. Next, saving in the material consumption. While the proper quality management should be occur, the scrap or the rework should be minimum, that's why it should be saving the material consumption. Next, reduction in the inspection. If the quality standard should be properly maintained, the inspection should not be more attention required. That's why reduction into the inspection. Reduction into the production bottlenecks. When the rework and rework should be more, the product should be bottlenecks and it should not perform its job. That's why we should reduce the production bottlenecks. Improvement in the overall efficiency of the worker or machine. Evaluation of the scientific tolerance. More quality conscious employees and fewer customers complaint. It is the main advantages of the quality control.